Creating bookmarks. In this video, we'll give a short demonstration on how to use bookmarks in ODP. Log into ODP at https://odp.nihr.ac.uk and select the All Portfolio dashboard. Navigate to the Filters tab. Buttons related to bookmarks are in the toolbar, which is in the top left of the screen. Bookmarks are especially useful if you are using ODP to periodically look at a particular subset of data. Bookmarks allow us to set up a shortcut that makes all the relevant selections in one click. To demonstrate this functionality, we're going to look at research into depression in England. To set up the bookmark, we need to select the relevant filters. So England in the recruiting country field, and then searching for depression in the subspecialty field and pressing enter on the keyboard. We should now have two items in the current selections box in the top left of the screen. To add the bookmark, we need to click on the star-shaped icon with the plus symbol. This will open the Add Bookmark window. In this window, we should enter an appropriate name for the bookmark, as well as a short description as a minimum. There is also the option to share the bookmark with other users if needed. To test the bookmark, let's clear all the selections using the Clear button in the toolbar. Then, from the Select Bookmark drop-down in the toolbar, choose the newly created bookmark. Note that the current selection box displays the values we used when setting up the bookmark. Bookmarks will always pull through the most up-to-date data in ODP, including any new studies created after you created the bookmark. Bookmarks that are no longer needed can be deleted. Click the star-shaped icon with a minus symbol on the toolbar and choose the bookmark that needs deleting. Pressing delete will remove the bookmark from the app. It's possible to share bookmarks with other users via email. The bookmark you would like to share needs to be active, which you can do by selecting it from the bookmarks list. To share the active bookmark, click on the More drop-down, the last item in the toolbar, and select the Mail with Bookmark as link option. Your default email application will open, with the link to the bookmark present in a new email message. For more information about ODP, please get in touch with the Business Intelligence team by emailing odp@nihr.ac.uk.